front of me is NUBIA Focus Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue, which means that location is on. To switch it off, tap on the same one. If you want to, you can also go into Settings, scroll down to access location here, and after tapping on it, click on this switcher next to Use Location to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!